In today's video, I'm going to show you how I take my hair from this to this using only one product. Let's get started. On freshly washed hair, I'm going to take my hair and divide it into 4 sections. I'll be using a detangling brush and Shea Moisture's Miracle Styler leave-in treatment. I'm parting off a small section in the back, applying about 7 pumps of the leave-in treatment, and then detangling the section with the detangling brush. Once I'm sure the section is detangled, I'm going to 2-strand twist it. Now, I'll continue the same process throughout the rest of my hair. Here's a closer look at the 2-strand twist. I'm doing the same method I've always done, just using one product and detangling as I go, because this saves me so much more time. You can see how soft my hair is and how much movement it has. That's because I'm only using conditioner and not a holding product. Now that I've finished, I'm going to add a bonnet and go to sleep. The next day, I'm checking to make sure that my twists are completely dry. Next, I'm going in with a little bit of olive oil. You don't need much. Now I'm going to unravel my twist from the bottom up. To add more volume, I'm going to further separate my twist. If you want to keep some definition in your hair, be sure not to separate too much. To make my hair even bigger, I'm going in with a pick and putting it at the root of my hair and lifting upwards, but I'm not pulling the pick completely through. So this is pretty much it. This is how I've been styling my hair lately. I hope that you all enjoyed it. If you would like to see how I maintain this hairstyle for up to 2 weeks, click right up here. If you would like to see more of my hair videos, check out the description box. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.